For example, c.a.t, c.a.t, cat. But for the English learners, they still do not know the meaning of the word cat. So you have to show them a picture of a cat or this. C.a.t, cat. Very good. All right. Now, here's how I teach the beginning readers, English learners, and others phonemic awareness. This is in order for them to develop the basic foundation in reading. This is my board. Watch for the arrow. The arrow points at letters. Okay, this is my signal if I want to speak. This is my signal if I want you to repeat. My turn. This is letter B. B says B, B, B. This is letter C. C says K, K, K. This is letter F. F says F, F, F. This is letter J. Letter J says Ch, Ch, Ch. This is letter P. P says P, P, P. This is letter S and letter C. Sk, sk, sk. This is letter S and this is letter T. St, st, st. This is letter T. T says T, T, T. This is letter W. W said W, W, W. And let's look at A. R says R. Let's put the sounds together. Let's say it. R. R. Your turn. R. Very good. Let's put all the sounds together and read words. Very good. My turn first. Bar. B-R, bar. C-R, car. F-R, far. Ch-R, jar. P-R, par. Sk-R, scar. St-R, star. T-R, tar. W-R, war. Everybody. Very good job. Very good job. High five. Very good. Thumbs up. And I'll see you in my next lesson. Thank you for coming to my classroom. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next lesson. Bye-bye.